Chapter 15, The Magnetic Pull of Magnetic Headlines. Ahoy, copywriting connoisseurs! In this electrifying chapter, we're diving headfirst into the magnetic world of headlines, the powerful force that draws readers in and compels them to devour every word of our copy. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to unravel the secrets of crafting headlines that captivate, intrigue, and magnetize our audience. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is a magnetic headline, and why is it so essential in copywriting? Well, my friends, a magnetic headline is more than just a catchy phrase. It's the gateway to our copy, the first impression that sets the tone for the entire reading experience. But fear not, for crafting magnetic headlines is not some mystical art reserved for the chosen few. No, it's a skill that anyone can master with the right tools and techniques. So how do we craft headlines that have the magnetic pull to stop our audience in their tracks? It all starts with understanding our audience, their hopes, fears, desires, and aspirations. By tapping into their emotions and speaking directly to their needs, we can create headlines that resonate deeply and compel them to keep reading. But understanding our audience is just the beginning. We must also employ proven headline formulas and techniques that have been shown to grab attention and pique curiosity. Whether it's using numbers, asking questions, or making bold promises, our headlines must provide a clear and compelling reason for our audience to dive into the rest of our copy. And let's not forget the power of specificity, the secret weapon in every magnetic headline writer's arsenal. By being specific and concrete in our headlines, we can create a sense of urgency and relevance that resonates with our audience and compels them to take action. But remember, my fellow headline maestros, a magnetic headline is not just about getting attention, it's about setting the stage for the rest of our copy. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our headlines accurately reflect the value and benefits of our offerings. So let us set forth on this noble quest, my friends, armed with nothing but our creativity and our unwavering commitment to crafting headlines that captivate, intrigue, and compel. Together, we'll create headlines that not only stop the scroll but also ignite the imagination and inspire action, leading our audience on a journey of discovery and transformation. Are you ready to unleash the magnetic power of headlines and captivate your audience like never before? Then let's dive headfirst into the world of headline mastery and emerge victorious on the shores of attention and engagement.